What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Steve here. Welcome back to the Maxbounty and Craigslist case study, 30 days to $100 a day. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be getting everything together that we need in order to start running these ads on Craigslist and start promoting these offers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through Maxbounty. I'm going to go through a couple offers, show you how to get accepted into Maxbounty, and show you what kind of offers you should be running on Craigslist, what offers work best. The offers we're going to be going after are going to be employment offers, biz op offers, things geared around how to make money, how to look for jobs, because that's kind of what a lot of people on Craigslist are looking for. They're looking for ways to make money, they're looking for jobs, they're looking for free things. That's what Craigslist is all about. Then we're going to need a generic Gmail address. We're going to need a Gmail address in order to start a new Craigslist account. It's going to have to be a generic Gmail address, something that when people reply to, it's going to be kind of geared around employment and making money and things like that. So I'll show you that when we do that. The next thing we're going to need is a Google Voice number, because I'm going to want to split test a couple ads. I'm going to want to have a couple ads where they can reply back to the email address, and I want to have a couple ads where they're going to reply back to a phone number, and we're going to see which one works better. So we're going to split test those two. Then I'm going to need a custom domain. All right, I'm going to need a custom domain for the landing pages, because we're not going to be direct linking to these offers. We're going to be setting up a bridge page. Direct linking is when they go straight from the ad to the offer, and that's what you don't want, because a lot of offers don't like direct linking. You know, they'll shut down your ad, you'll lose your accounts. Anytime you're doing with marketing with CPA marketing, you're going to want to use some kind of landing page, a bridge page. That way you can kind of mask where your traffic is coming from, because a lot of affiliate networks don't, for one, they don't like Craigslist, and two, it makes for a better conversion. You know, that way you're building a more solid lead. You know, it's a stronger lead if you have them go through a landing page, because it makes people do that extra step to make them more serious. So we're going to need a custom domain. So instead of having like a long crazy domain that people will reply to, it's going to be something related to employment. So people reply more to a custom domain than they will long crazy numbers and letters and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you that. So the funnel that we're going to be building is going to be a quiz type survey funnel, where they're going to go from the ad to a landing page, and then from that landing page they might answer a couple questions, and then from that point they're going to go to the offer. All right, so what you're doing is you're building, first you're kind of doing like a pre-sale for the offer, and you're getting a more qualified lead, because the offers that we are running are real offers. So you want people that are more interested, and you know, are not just going to look at your landing page and then go away and bounce. You want somebody that's going to stick around, go through the landing page, get to the offer, and actually complete what the offer is wanting them to do, which is to be like an email address or a sale or whatever. In these funnels, we'll be going after like email addresses. Well, we want them to convert their emails to the offers. So that's why you build up a sales funnel. You're pre-selling the offer, and then you're getting a more qualified lead to that offer. And that way you don't have to worry about not getting any kind of conversions. All right, so let's get into it. Let's go right into Maxbounty, how to get accepted, and take a look at some of these offers. All right, so you should have a Maxbounty account at this point, and if you don't have a Maxbounty account, you're going to have to come to maxbounty.com, and this is where you can get an account in order to start promoting these offers. It's very easy to get into Maxbounty. A lot of people have a hard time, but it is very easy. The only thing Maxbounty is really looking for is they're looking for you to be a real person. You know, that's why they do their phone interview, because they want to deal with real people. They don't want to deal with scammers, people that are going to be sending like bot traffic or crappy traffic. You know, they want to even if you're brand new, they want to know that who they're dealing with is a real person and who's going to be sending real traffic to these offers, because they don't want to waste their time. So you're going to want to go ahead and, you know, fill out an account. It's easy. It's pretty standard, straightforward. Sign up for an account, and then the next thing they're going to do is they're going to call you to make sure you're a real person. So you're going to get on the phone with them for about 5-10 minutes, and, you know, get into Maxbounty. And once you're in, that's when you can start looking for offers. And I know what kind of offers, a couple offers that I want to go ahead and promote. So, all right, so once you're approved into Maxbounty and you're able to sign in, just go ahead and sign in. That's going to take you to the browse screen, and that's where you're going to be able to see all the offers. They're going to have like new campaigns, which are new offers, brand new offers, which are sometimes pretty good because not a whole lot of people are promoting these right now. So top offers that a lot of people are promoting right now, but are pretty popular. Trending offers, another thing to look at, you know, if you're looking for different offers. But we already know what we're going after. And actually, I have one offer that I'm going to be promoting in this. I might throw in a couple of different BizOp offers, but the first one we're going to go and start promoting. One thing you can do in Maxbounty is, a good thing is to get not familiar, but start working with your affiliate manager. You know, reach out to them, ask them. You can always ask them questions. You know, what are popular offers that you're running right now? You know, what do you suggest? Things like that. Let's go show the offer that I want to start promoting. All right, now this is an offer here that I think is going to be a good offer to promote on Craigslist, because it's an employment offer. You know, this offer is geared towards people that are looking for a job. So this offer here, sticker.co, it's advertising your car, earn passive income, drive your normal routine, but with an advertisement in the back window of your car. So when people see the ad on Craigslist, they go to a landing page, and that landing page will send them to this offer here. Now, whenever you're looking at offers, what you should do is, you know, preview the landing page. That'll get you here, and then actually go through the offer to, you know, see how legit it is, how easy it is to get to the next step. So when I went through here, you could actually go through the funnel. So this here is a funnel. It's going to be a couple questions. Yes. Hold on. I am. No. Older. Let's start. Got it. Very low money. Got it. Okay, I like to proceed. So this thing actually takes them through a good, you know, 7 or 8 questions. Then they actually get to this page right here. Now, when they complete this application, it goes on to the next step, and that's how you get paid. So by going through and actually looking what the offer does, you know, you could kind of say to yourself, well, is it an easy funnel to go through in order to get to where they actually put in their information to where you get paid? So this offer pays $7.20 per lead on a form submit, so that you don't have to put a credit card in, but they have to actually fill out the application. So I think that's a pretty strong offer to go for people that are actually looking for a job. So we're going to go ahead and track this offer here. Test this one out. I'm approved. Doesn't have a daily cap. This tells you what the traffic types are allowed. Contextual is what you're actually looking for when you're doing Craigslist, because then you're able to put that into your ads and all that kind of stuff. Displays is when you're using banners. Search is if you're doing like search traffic, Google, Yahoo, Bing. Social media, native ads, mobile ads. Now you can't do any email or incentive marketing on this one, which is fine. We're not doing that anyway. And brand bidding is allowed. Now this is funny because usually brand bidding is not allowed. What that means is you could actually use the name inside your advertisement. So if I wanted to actually say sticker.co inside my Craigslist ad, I would be allowed to do that. So this is the ad we're going to be running for our Craigslist case study. And, you know, as we go along, I'll start adding in some more BizOp offers, and we'll start testing out some BizOp offers. But let's get started with this one. Okay, the countries allowed: United States, because, you know, Craigslist is a United States platform. I don't think you could use Craigslist out of the country, so it has to be an offer that is in the United States that's going to work for Craigslist. All device operating systems allowed, so, you know, this will work, you know, through Apple phones and Android phones. Well, the EPC earnings per click is about 7 cents per click, so it's not that high, but, you know, I have a feeling that this is a good offer anyway. So this is what the landing pages gets to, the completed application. So when we build out our landing page, I'm going to be making it purple. I'll probably put this logo in there so it can be congruent with the offer. So when they go from the ad to my landing page, it'll kind of look something like this, and then it'll go into this offer, and it gives it a little bit more legitimacy. All right, so the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a new Gmail address. And that's going to be what we're going to be using for our offers. So we're going to create a new account. Let's see here. Okay, so we have our Gmail address. I don't think I'm going to go after a Google Voice number right now because I'm going to want to be doing different areas of the country. So let's just stick with the Gmail address. And that's where we're going to be having people apply to. I don't want to make it overcomplicated. All right, so the next thing we're going to need is we're going to need a domain name. All right, and I get my domains from namecheap.com. All right, now we're going to need a generic domain name, something that we can use that will cover all types of different offers, not just, one. So it's got to be like a generic name. So let's see. We used workfirsttoday@gmail.com. So let's see. Let's just try it. Workfirsttoday.com. It is available. Now, let's see here. Oh, look at that. We can get workfirsttoday.careers for $5.88. So let's go ahead and get that. All right. Give me a second and we'll get it. And $5.88 investment for the whole year is not bad for your business. All right, give me a second and we'll get it. Okay, so now we have the domain, workfirsttoday.careers. All right, now we own the domain. Now the next thing we're going to have to do is, since we're going to be using our landing page builder, that's going to be GrooveFunnels. That's what we're going to be using to build our landing page. And you could use this as well to follow along. You can get Groove Pages for free. So you can always have this is a free landing page builder for you. And eventually I'll be able to share my pages with you guys, and I'll be able to build some pages out, and I'll be able to send them right over to you if you use the same software, and you'll be able to do this for free. Now when we actually go to publish this, we'll be able to publish it on our own domain. All right, now you have to set this whole thing up to make sure this domain has a secure SSL. And what secure SSL means is any domain that is secure will have this lock up here. All right, so you're going to need a secure SSL for any domain that people go to, or else they're going to think it's not a legitimate site, and Google won't start ranking that domain anyway, and it'll be hard for them to get to. So whenever you have a domain and whenever you have a website or anything, a landing page, it's got to have a secure SSL through your hosting. All right, the first thing you're going to do is go to Cloudflare. All right, so you're going to create an account, you're going to log in, you're going to add a site. Now the site we're going to be adding is workfirsttoday.careers. All right, that's the site we have, workfirsttoday.careers. You add the site. All right, it is free. Now that gives you, let's see, free. That's going to enable you to have a secure domain name. First thing you're going to want to do is log into your Namecheap account and then change your Namecheap account name servers to these name servers. All right, so you go over here, go to manage. Your name servers, right now they're set up to basic and DNS. So you're going to go to custom DNS and you have to put in these name servers. Click the green check button, check mark. Alright, now you're good with that. It says it might take up to 40 hours to take effect. It doesn't usually take that long. Alright, some things you're going to want to make sure it's on. Always make sure your SSL encryption mode is full. So make sure that's full. Let's see. Optimize performance. Let's see. Brotli. Make sure your Brotli is always on. Let's see. A summary. Always use HTTPS. Change that to on. Save. On. Finish. Come over to your what is it? Let's see, your SSL. Yeah, you did that. Area to your DNS. Alright, so in order for you to be able to host that landing page on GrooveFunnels, you're going to have a CNAME pointed to h10groovepages.com. So you're going to take that h10groovepages.com, copy, back over here, go where your CNAME is, edit that, paste it, and save. Alright, that's it. So that's all you have to do. Alright, so you got to give it some time, let it do it. It should be worked by tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll have a message, and I'll show you from another one of mine. When you're good to go, you'll get an email from Cloudflare saying your status is active, and then you'll know your domain name is set up for SSL. So that's all you have to do. So now we're good for our Gmail address. So now we're good. We have our Gmail address. We have our domain name. We know what offer we're promoting on Maxbounty. You know how to get approved now. So in the next video, I'm going to actually build the funnel out, or I'll just create the landing page, and then we're going to go ahead and start creating some ads on Craigslist. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're at, if you're following along, if you like it. And thanks a lot. I'll subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.